Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Sembly. So to get started with a quick analysis, Sembly AI in 2025 is like having the personal assistance for all your meetings. It automatically joins your Zoom, your Teams, and your Google Meet calls, records everything with a near perfect accuracy, and it creates easy to read summary with the key point and action items. The AI can identify different speakers and organize a note by topics, making it perfect for teams who want to skip manual note taking. While you get 3 hours of transcription each month, every user will need a paid plan. The only downsides are it doesn't translate live during meetings and during needs small formatting tweak. So what makes Sembly AI special is it is smart analysis. It doesn't just transcribe but also highlight description, risk, and follow up tasks automatically. You can quickly share important parts with your teams through a Slack or emails and search past meetings in seconds. It's great for sales teams tracking a client talk, remote workers managing a multiple meetings, or is executive who need a quick recap. While the tools like Otter AI offer a better live transcription and a Firefly's AI Connect with smooth with CRM, Sembly AI stand out for its balance of accuracy, smart memories, and easy sharing, making it one of the best AI meetings as it stands in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform and how it can help you automate your meeting. And that's it.